Essay on my ambition in life to become a teacher. Something that you want to do or achieve very much is called ambition. It cannot be said that everyone necessarily has a plan of life to pursue, but most of the people have some idea of a career. It is advisable that we should devise a plan of life. There must be some aims to achieve. By this way, we can lead a purposeful and healthy life. Everyone has his own likes and dislikes. I want to lead a simple and peaceful life. I want to have some basic needs of life with leisure so that I may engage in my favorite pursuits for some time daily. Most of the professions require long working hours. They do not spare one for a moment to enjoy life. Teaching is the only profession that offers spare time on your disposal. But this is not the only reason of my choice. Teaching is my passion as well. Teaching the youth is my ambition. Clean and spacious environment of college always fascinates me. There I meet the vibrant young ones, full of life and vigor. There I do not have to mingle with common folk, rather I meet an educated lot, neatly dressed with mature minds and pleasant attitudes. I have a great opportunity to express my thoughts and convey my knowledge. As I am fond of reading, I find a suitable environment of learning in this career by consulting library and other means of study. We listen a lot about corruption in the medical profession, engineering and civil service, but education in a field of commonly honest and dedicated professionals. Usually, profession of teaching is considered an easy one, but this is a misconception. An ideal teacher must be up to date. He must be aware of new methods and techniques of teaching. He must keep abreast of all the latest developments in his subject. And all this requires is a great perseverance. Generally, teachers rely on the tailor-made methods and techniques of teaching. I would create new ways of learning. I would pay attention to make my students true learners. I would like them to prepare themselves not only for examination but also do research work. All this is possible only establishing good communication with them. I will facilitate my students in every aspect of their academic endeavor. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.